Welcome. So today we're going to talk about how you go ahead and replace your turn signal, hazards, and parking light that will come on. And it's all right here in this thing. So you're just going to go ahead and twist that, pull this out. This is just to push in and remove. Get the bulb to put back in it. This is an 1157 with the amber color. And this has two elements in it. Then you're just gonna see you've got one longer side peg down here and a shorter one up here. And so when you put it back in, you want to make sure that you line it up there, that the long side goes down on this one, and then just push it in, twist it, and lock it in place. And you're just going to go ahead and put it back in here, line it up, two smaller ones, twist it, lock it in place, and that's how you would go ahead and replace that.